Hi everybody, how you doing? It's Uncle Bruce here from Stock Markets with Bruce. How you doing today? Welcome to my little video here. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, thumbs ups, visiting my Facebook group page, donating to my PayPal account. I mean, all you guys are incredible. Thank you. This scenery you're looking at here is just a couple of miles, maybe 5 miles away from where I live here in Creston, British Columbia. Very pretty. This is the middle of winter. We had a particularly nice sunny day a few weeks ago and pretty nice looking views. I got a video coming up here for you, clips from my latest show where I am talking about a number of stocks that I like because people ask me, what else are you liking out there? What should I look into? Check this video out. Let me know what you think. And thank you for being here. By the way, if you get a chance, some of you have been so kind to me, visit my Redbubble store. We now have some new items popping up here. You can pick up some coffee mugs with different logos on it, some clothing. I hope you enjoy. Thank you, everybody. The other shares I follow, I do follow other stocks. Let me show you right here. These are other shares that I have been mentioning on my shows here. These are shares that if you don't have these, you're thinking of adjusting your portfolio, you're getting into the market for the first time, you have $1,000 or $1,500 or $800, and you want to buy a little bit of a number of stocks. Push your money out over a few. Here you go, right here. GHVI is known as Gores Holdings. It's a SPAC. It's a SPAC that has announced a merger. They're going to merge with Matterport, a 3D imaging software company. Let me show you what that stuff is. This is 3D imaging right here. You walk around your house with a camera or your iPhone and you take these photos. Here's another image right here of the deal. This is, let me just pop that up for a second. So this is what Matterport does. You can buy their 3D camera on the bottom left and you place it in your home, or a realtor will place it in a home for sale, or a home that's going under renovation, or a builder will show off a show home, and they will walk around the house, place a tripod down, and this unit will take 3D tours and allow 3D tours of real estate to be done. This is also done by resorts for their properties. It will be done by cruise ships pretty soon. Matterport, a genius 3D imaging software that is going to that's going inside the company called Gores Holdings, GVHI. Josh Brown bought this stock. He bought it. If you don't know who Josh Brown is, it's this guy right here. He's a CNBC guy that you'll find on the halftime report about 2 or 3 times a week. Sometimes he's on the network after hours. He is an investment manager. He personally, or his entity, bought stock in GHVI. He said, I normally do not buy any SPAC stock until after the merger is done and the stock is trading on the market as the merged entity. He said, but I can't wait on this one. I got to get in now because he understands the absolute sky is the limit of this company with Matterport. It's going worldwide. They are already the worldwide leader in this area, and they are dominating, and they are going to rule that space, and it is lucrative. So there you go. That's one. VGAC, that is I call that the Virgin Group Acquisition Corporation. Richard Branson and his buddies, they put a SPAC together. They're at 1065 right now. That stock is merging with 23andMe, which is the home genotherapy ancestry company. That merger will result in the new company, when it's merged, to have $950 million cash in the bank to really diversify. There's a lot coming here, and I like the deal. Some people are saying they're hearing bad press about it. Don't you worry about it. I like this deal. 1068 is where it's trading at. The GHVI, the Gores Holdings, trading at 1624. These companies both went public at $10 with their units. The next one is Starboard Value, SVAH. I've just mentioned it kind of down here, right there. See that? See that down there? Yeah, right down there. SVAH, 1016 a share, down 11 cents right now. It's another SPAC. They are taking over a company. Let me get my notes. Oh my gosh, I'm getting old.
SVAC, they're taking over a Cyxtera, Cyxtera, Cyxtera. Those guys run data farms. These are these giant buildings in industrial malls in big cities that are covered with barbed wire fences and patrol cars. Inside the buildings are servers with all the data that we have, bank data, government data, company data, everything. These guys run 60 data farms across America. This company is merging into this SVAC company, and it will be funded with $650 million cash upon listing as well. Well funded. Watch out. I think they're taking down debt, and their margins are going to soar. They're making a killing. They're going to make a ton of data and cloud computing. This is it. This is where all of our information ends up, and they, they work it back and forth. I'm not a pro in this, but I'm telling you, I like this deal. The last one, that's a SPAC, Fortress Value, FAII. I like that one. 10.26 a share, down 9 cents today. FAII is merging with ATI Physical Therapy Company. ATI Physical Therapy has 860 locations across America where you can go in for physiotherapy. I think you can get other medical services. I think they're going to expand their offerings. This puts this little SPAC into a whole level. Medical services, juicy deal. I like it. By the way, this is the 23andMe kits that people have been getting in the mail. This is who founded 23andMe. She founded this company. Miss Wojcicki, I can't remember her name exactly. Her husband was the co-founder of Google. Google has invested in 23andMe already. This is Richard Branson, where he owns, he created a VGAC with his group. And so Richard Branson and this gal and this entity will be on the New York Stock Exchange with $950 million cash upon listing. You can buy VGAC at $10.70. I've been recommending this stock since it was $15. And I've been saying to people, under 15, you buy it and you take it and you put it away. So if you have $1,000, you can take $250 and buy all 4 of these if you want. Buy $250 of each one and forget about it. If you got $1,000, you can buy $100 of each of these, and then you can keep going. You can pick up something like you can buy IBM and take yourself a 5.5% yield. It's down 248 to 119.99. Buy IBM. You can buy Microsoft. I like that one. You can buy Intel. You can buy HD, which is Home Depot. I like all of these stocks. Home Depot's up $3.27 a share today, which is nice to see. Finally, it's moving up in price. You can pick up other stocks like, where am I? HD, Cisco. I like Cisco. I like Apple. I like Facebook. I like Micron. And Vanik Semiconductor ETF, SMH. I like that as well. If you believe in the chip shortage and you think there's going to be a massive chip shortage for the next year, I do. You want to be into the chip stocks, why don't you buy the ETF and just relax? Just let them do all the work for you. Get the one unit and enjoy. Buy as many as you want. Again, if you're a small trader, you're using Robinhood, you're using Fidelity, you're using Charles Schwab slices, however you're trading, you can buy slivers of these guys. I also like GameStop, of course. And there you go. Those are the other stocks that I'm recommending on this channel. So I'm a busy guy keeping folks up to speed on what's happening out there. And like I say, I'm trying to follow the minute-to-minute gyrations of the market. But sometimes there's just nowhere else to go for you guys to get info. So if you're coming here, I thank you. And thank you for joining me and following me. And like I said, I'm more than happy to try to answer your questions when I get around to them. And I'm trying to get around to them now. It has been crazy. We have now 7,100 thumbs ups. Thank you for that. Keep those thumbs ups coming. We want to hit 10,000 thumbs ups as soon as possible to drive more traffic to the show through YouTube. Thank you, all of you, for that. We have already had on this show this morning over 34,000 of you come through here. Some of you spend a few minutes and then go away, and you come back and go away. I get it. Yesterday we had over 105,000 views. Now we've had already 34,000, unbelievable. A lot of you have also decided to subscribe to my channel, which I am humble about as well. We were at 51,000 3 days ago. We're now at 58,000 subscribers. Thank you, all of you. Please hit the bell notification icon when you subscribe, or if you've already subscribed, and you'll get updates and alerts every time I do a new video and bring out new information of what's going on. 7,300 thumbs ups. Thank you, guys. Keep them coming in here if you can. Please consider doing that. Every thumbs up drives more traffic to my channel, and people will hear about what we think is going on the GameStop story. Anyway, there you go. Okay. Thank you, everybody. That is where we're at. Let's see if we can get rid of a couple of morons. Let's see. We do get the occasional, you know what, troll. So we'll try to eliminate them as best as we can. I apologize if these people are upsetting any of you out there. I don't have a moderator. I do this on my own, and it's a battle, and that's just the way it is right now. All Whiting, thank you for the donation. Greetings from Cranbrook. If you're ever in the area, I'll buy you a beer. But Jen and I go through Cranbrook all the time. Whenever we're in town, she has a craving for McDonald's French fries. We don't have a McDonald's here in Creston, and so what can I say? We're there often, and thank you for that offer. I appreciate it very much. Let's see what else is going on. Oh man, comments. $120 on GameStop right now. Bruce, you got to get your bagel going. We need the help. Apparently, whenever I eat a bagel, the stock goes up in price. We'll work on that. Right now, I've just got some banana bread from Costco that we picked up last week when we were in Calgary. Love the banana bread at Costco. Maybe that'll make the stock go up too. We'll see what's going on. Will Branson be taking 20% off the top on VGAC? The number of shares that he personally will own will be a very small smidge of all of it. The SPAC raised hundreds of millions of dollars at $10 a unit, and they're raising hundreds of millions more in a special PIPE financing right upon listing. And he's buying 25 million personally of that stock at $10 a share. He has stock already inside the SPAC, but what his percentage will be personally, I'm not even sure if he's going to be an insider, if he'll even have 5% of the stock or not. He might be less than that, but he'll be very much involved, and he'll be very much promoting the future affairs of that company because he's motivated. He's locked up for a while, so keep that going. Let's get Bruce to 69,000 subscribers and then on to 420,000. Thank you, everybody. I'm up against YouTube channels that do have 1 million subscribers for your attention. I mean, I'm up against some pretty big YouTubers. So those of you who are here, I mean, I appreciate this. We're growing quickly, and I love it. And we're going to keep on top of these markets as much as we can. I just hope I can give you the information you need. Conrad, did you say you like SMH? I do. I like the SMH ETF. I think for those of you who want to follow and try to stay on top of the chip shortage, that's a safe way to go, I say. You're into 60 different stocks there. The Angel family, thank you for this donation. Bruce, greetings, also from Cranbrook, but the original one in the United Kingdom. Love the show. Oh, wow. Well, whenever I'm in town, we'll get together for a beer. Banana bread for a win. We're so apes. We're so crazy about bananas. We're at 123. It's going up. So the more I eat, the higher the stock goes. Keep eating, says Chris. I'd sure like to have a bagel right now. Bruce, please eat a bagel. Oh, man. Bruce, just keep eating. Shaking my head. Thumbs ups, everybody. Bruce, eat. Just buy it, guys. Oh, man, the comments are coming in here. You guys are fantastic. Ireland is here. Welcome, Ireland. We have viewers from around the world here. It's incredible. From Germany, from Denmark, the Netherlands, Norway, Sweden, Finland, all over Europe, the Caribbean, all over the Caribbean, Canada, the USA, Australia, New Zealand, Asia. It's amazing. There are so many of you following me. Desperate for information. I get it. Pardon me 1 second. I just got to adjust my chair. We have got so much activity here. I really appreciate all of you following me and staying on top of this market. I do the best I can to fill you in on what's going on. It looks like they've taken GameStop off the television set on CNBC. They've got an ETF spotlight highlighting right now. So there they go. Anyway, crazy times. We got Detroit, we've got Sweden, we got Uruguay, we got Scotland, Cambridge, UK. We have all kinds of folks here. Donations have been coming in from a lot of you. I have not been able to get to them. I am so sorry. Thank you, Sussex Squad. Thanks for the encouragement, Uncle Bruce. Thank you, Sussex Squad. Thank you, Brian Canali, for your donation, $10. Mark Ellis, thank you for your $4.99 donation. I saw those. I'm trying to stay on top of it. Knox Gaming, thank you for the $1 donation. Any and all of you who've been doing this all morning, I thank you so much. Who else is here? Tyler Witten, new sub. What are your thoughts on LCID? I don't have anything at the moment. But down the road, we'll see. Matthew, what about the rare earth stocks? Seems like these have some potential. Yeah, but we might be way too early on this. I don't know of a front runner there. I'm not sure what to make of that yet, Matthew. Raman, thank you. I bought bagels to have with you right now. I got bagels and I'm ready to eat with you, buddy. Thank you. Oh man. I'm trying to catch up. The comments, donation were made earlier and I can't get to them. I have to do other screens, but I want to be on top of the market and your comments. Don't really want to miss anything. So thank you, everybody. Australia, Eat Bruce. Texas is here. South Korea is here. Mars, I'm holding. Getting late in Australia or in Austria, perhaps. Scotland, just bought the dip. 2 more, 115 or 122 right now. You're the best, Bruce. Guys, it's happening. Eat it up. It'll go up. Croatia is here. It's happening. Eat. It's going higher. Do you want to comment? No, this is going to change. AMC will not mirror GameStop. It won't continue to do it per se. Thank you, ALAA. Thank you for the donation so much on PayPal. Where are we? AMC down 39 cents at 7.39. This has completely gone the opposite direction. AMC is on its own. They will make it or break it as as an entity. Thank you from Sweden and Germany. They'll make it or break it on their own. They're not part of the GameStop thing at all. They're just not. Guys, it's happening. Eat it up. EEUU. Guys, it's happening. Thank you guys. All your encouragement. Come to Macedonia for some sourdough bread, Bruce. It's all good stuff. I'm sure it's darn good. Man, oh man, what can I say? Let's see here. We've got to take care of some more business here. There we go. Staying on top of this as best we can. Let's see. Yeah, don't know how to do that. Moving on. Let's see here. Going through here. Mexico is in the house also. Thank you. South Tyrol is here. Thank you. Greetings from San Diego and Calgary. Thank you, all of you, for being here today. Chris, loves the show, Bruce. Do most SPACs tend to temporarily drop substantially when the acquisition goes through because of all the cash spent? No. What happens is these SPACs come out at $10 a unit. Then they split the units into stock and warrants, and they start trading. And then eventually the company says something. Sometimes the stocks go up to 13, 14 in anticipation of a deal. Then a deal is announced. And then when a deal is announced, you get this pop, excitement, and the stock goes from 13, 15, 18, 20 sometimes. Other times it doesn't do much. And I find out about the deal. I look into it. If I like it, I'll mention it to you. But I'll tell you, wait for the stock to come back to you because they take 90 days to do the physical merger with all the paperwork, with all the SEC filings, the stock exchange reporting you have to do, all the transactions you have to do behind the scenes with the lawyers, the auditors, the accountants, everybody. It takes 3 months. So these 4 stocks I'm recommending, they're now anywhere from 30 days, 20 to 40 days into the deal of their merger. And when it's done, then they can talk. Right now, they can't say a word. They're under a gag order right now. They're not allowed to speak. If they start talking about their plans going forward, that could be perceived as material information, material changes on the capital of the company's potential, then they have to start from scratch all over again. Refiling again from scratch another 90 days. So they won't speak right now for the next 2 months, month and a half. So if you buy it now, you're buying it in the quiet period, but it could be very well worth your time because once they start trading as the merged entity, the promotion department kicks in, the investor relations department kicks in. The brokers who've been financing these guys are telling them and helping them in their press releases getting forward. They're going to help them out as new publicly traded companies. They're there to advise and assist. These folks are hiring right now behind the scenes personnel in their investor relations department. Watch out for a deluge of news on all of these guys once they're traded, once they're converted into the new company. So Virgin Group, the VGAC, that will become 23andMe, and the stock symbol will be ME. So for every share you buy now as a VGAC stock, that will become an ME stock. 1-for-1 rollover, no difference to you. But do not expect, I just cannot believe with what I see going on, this is going to be around $10 a share anymore. Why would Richard Branson buy into this deal, do all this work, be under all these trade restrictions to have it go to $15 a share from 10? I don't think so. No. Richard can make a lot more money doing some other stuff. I mean, he can appear on a commercial for somebody and get paid $1 million. No. Richard is buying into this deal already and more, for much more than a $15 stock or $20 stock or a $50 stock or a $100 stock. Richard Branson is not here for chump change. He's here for a killing. And I think his children are going to be the beneficiaries because it's going into his estate and it'll roll over to his kids. I wish Richard Branson all the best. I'm sure he's going to be around a long time, but I think he's going to be into this for quite a bit of time. And all the other insiders that own this deal, they're not here for a quick $20 turnaround. Forget about it. You might get in at 10, 50, $11 and get out at 20. It's up to you. You can do whatever you want. You can buy in for a couple $100 and flip it all you want to do. I think you buy this, you put these away. I think you're going to do very, very well the longer you wait because they are well funded right off the get-go. Dressy, greetings from DK Denmark. What's happening?
All right, calm down. Give that man a bagel. Holy moly. We get excited on the show, don't we? Thank you for joining me here on this video. That's a little clip there from one of my live shows. We have fun. I can't wait for my next show tomorrow. Thanks again for joining me here on Stock Markets with Bruce. And appreciate all your support and your thumbs ups and your comments and everything else. I'll catch you on the next live show. We'll talk stock, and let's see what happens to GameStop. Go to the moon, baby. And where are my bagels, baby? Jen, where are my bagels? I need a bagel. Okay, guys, I'm out of here. I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.